My son brought this Antisocial Tegu over here for me to take care of for a minute, which I done had for a minute. So, come over here. Come say hi to the camera. Come on. There you go. Antisocial Tegu he brought over here. Don't like to be touched. Here, eat. Hungry? Huh. This is food. Yeah. It's food. Are you gonna eat? No? Not hungry? So, antisocial animal. I gotta sit here and try to tame because he's just got such an attitude. Here. Take away your food. Huh? Oh, that's fine. It's still recording. There you go. There you go. Now you gonna eat. Finally. Oh, that's backwards, huh? So we have it this way. Whoa! Eat your food. Don't worry about what I'm doing. It's an antisocial animal. I'll just leave this in there. He'll eat it as he wanted. I just wanted to show y'all my antisocial Tegu. Or my son's antisocial Tegu. I'm going to clean up the cage and finish feeding him. Then see y'all next video. I'm out.